The Porsche 911 is one of the most iconic sports cars in automotive history, and over the years, a thriving culture of restomods has emerged to enhance and preserve the legacy of this legendary vehicle. One such restomod that's making waves is the Kalmar Porsche 7-97 Classic. A stunning creation from Kalmar Automotive, the 7-97 takes the classic Porsche 993 Generation 911 and turns it into a modern marvel, blending old-school charm with state-of-the-art technology in engineering. The 7-97 Classic is the second such vehicle that Kalmar has delivered to the US market, and it's already garnering attention for its unique design and incredible performance upgrades. The starting point for the 7-97 is the Porsche 993, a generation of 911 known for its timeless looks and engineering. Kalmar has kept the spirit of the 993 alive but enhanced it with high-tech materials and performance modifications that push this restomod to new heights. One of the first things that catches your eye is the vibrant Sunoco blue paintwork, which gives the car a fresh yet retro feel. Underneath that stunning exterior, Kalmar has replaced the body panels with lightweight carbon fiber, shedding significant weight while keeping the car's iconic silhouette intact. The carbon fiber is expertly crafted, and unless you look closely, you'd never know it's there. In addition to the carbon fiber panels, the 7-97 Classic features modern touches that enhance its visual appeal. The updated headlights give the car a sharper, more aggressive look, and the Fuchs-style wheels with matching blue accents complete the exterior. The black engine cover and matte black wing mirrors add a contemporary edge without losing the classic 911 charm. These elements come together to create a Porsche that's both familiar and unique, appealing to fans of vintage and modern design alike. But what really sets the Kalmar 7-97 apart from other restomods is its performance. Beneath the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that produces 411 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. This engine delivers an exhilarating driving experience, especially considering the car's light weight, just 2,645 pounds. That weight savings translates into a nimble, responsive ride, making the 7-97 Classic an absolute joy to drive. While a modern Porsche GT3 may have more power, the 7-97's balance of power and weight makes it a standout performer in its own right. Kalmar has also gone above and beyond with the suspension setup. The 7-97 Classic comes equipped with adaptive suspension, which includes a front axle lift system, allowing drivers to adjust the ride height depending on the situation. The inclusion of carbon ceramic brakes, developed in-house by Kalmar, further enhances the car's handling and stopping power. These are not features commonly found in restomods, making the 7-97 a true standout in the world of high-performance 911 builds. Inside, the cabin of the 7-97 is as thoughtfully designed as the exterior and engine. Kalmar has outfitted the car with a pair of Recaro Sportster CS seats, trimmed in black leather with blue contrast stitching. The blue stitching extends to the door panels, steering wheel, and dashboard, creating a cohesive, high-end look that matches the car's exterior. Alcantara is used on parts of the dash, pillars, and headliner, adding a luxurious touch to the interior while maintaining a performance-oriented feel. This particular 7-97 Classic was ordered by Bruce Canepa, a well-known figure in the world of classic cars and racing. Canepa's involvement with the project ensures that the car will not only be a collector's item but will also be driven and enjoyed on the road. This Porsche is meant to be experienced, not just admired from behind a garage door. In conclusion, the Kalmar Porsche 7-97 Classic is a stunning restomod that elevates the Porsche 993 to new levels of performance and design. With its lightweight carbon fiber body, modern suspension, and potent 4.0-liter engine, the 7-97 Classic offers a thrilling driving experience that pays homage to Porsche's storied history while embracing the future of automotive technology.